In this video, I will show you how to set up your white label bot with Ticketforge functionality. To get started, head over to the Ticketforge dashboard. You'll find the link in the description below. Next, click the Login button up in the top right corner and hit Authorize. Then select your Discord server. Once you have selected your server, navigate to Server Config in the sidebar and scroll down to the Bot Persona field. Here, click Custom Instance. You will see a 3-step plan to connect your own custom bot. Let's follow those steps now. Click the Open Developer Portal button. This will take you to the Discord Developer Portal page. Click New Application in the top right corner. Fill in a name to your liking, accept the terms and policy of Discord, and create the app. After creation, you will end up in your bot environment. Here you can customize the bot's name, icon, and description to your liking. Now to complete step 2, click the Bot tab in the sidebar. Scroll down to Privileged Gateway Intents. It is very important that you enable all 3 sliders here and then hit Save. Now for step 3, we need to reset the token. Click the Reset Token button, click Yes, do it, enter your password or 2FA code, and click Submit. Your token will appear and is ready to copy. Click the Copy button and let's head back to the dashboard. Insert the token you just copied into the Paste Token Here field and click Save Changes. Now let's check the required setup. We've done step 1 already, so let's go ahead and invite the bot you just created into your Discord server. To do that, just click the Add to Server button. Now select your server from the drop-down and click Continue. Finally hit Authorize. Let's head back to the dashboard one more time. Since we added the bot to our Discord server after connecting it on the dashboard, we need to hit the Restart Bot button to initialize the bot. The dashboard side is complete. Let's do steps 3 and 4 now. Head over to your Discord server to fix the roles and remove the old Ticketforge bot. Click the server title, open Server Settings, and then select Roles. Find your new bot role and drag it to the very top of the roles list. Now we can remove the standard Ticketforge bot, open the member list on the right side, find Ticketforge, right-click on the bot, and click Kick Ticketforge. That's it. Your white label bot is connected and is running the Ticketforge code. You can now send your panels using your own bot via the dashboard and use them in your Discord server. For all useful links, check the description, and happy ticketing.